Is your furnace ready for December? A quick guide. As the temperature drops and winter sets in, ensuring your furnace is ready for December's chill is crucial for keeping your home warm and cozy. A well-maintained furnace also operates efficiently, saving you money on energy bills. Here's how to prepare. 1. Check and replace your furnace filter. A clean filter is essential for proper airflow and efficient heating. Check your filter monthly, and replace it if it's dirty or clogged. 2. Inspect your thermostat. Ensure your thermostat is functioning correctly. Consider upgrading to a programmable or smart thermostat to optimize heating schedules and reduce energy consumption. 3. Schedule a professional inspection. An annual furnace tune-up by a licensed HVAC technician can identify and fix potential issues before they become costly repairs. They'll inspect burners, heat exchangers, and other components to ensure optimal performance. 4. Test your furnace. Turn on your furnace to ensure it starts without issues. Listen for unusual noises, check for odd smells, and ensure warm air flows through your vents. 5. Seal drafts and insulate. Drafts around doors and windows can make your furnace work harder. Seal gaps and add insulation to keep the heat inside and the cold out. 6. Inspect vents and ducts. Blocked or leaky ducts can reduce your furnace's efficiency. Clear obstructions and have your ducts professionally cleaned if needed. 7. Check the carbon monoxide detector. If your furnace burns gas or oil, a carbon monoxide detector is essential. Test it monthly and replace batteries as needed to ensure safety. Conclusion. Taking these steps now can save you from midwinter breakdowns and high heating bills. If you're unsure about your furnace's condition, don't wait, contact a professional HVAC service today for peace of mind. Stay warm this December.